Good morning, students. In our yesterday class, we have completed exercise 3C, question number 6, 7, 8, and exercise 3D, question number 1, 2, and 3. Students, I forgot to do question number 5. So today I am doing question number 5 of exercise 3C, and then we will continue with exercise 3D. So just take out your copy and start doing. Now student, if you understand how to do question number 6, then it would be easy for you to do question number 5 also. In question number 5 also you have to do in the same manner. That means first of all we will remove the decimal. So when we remove the decimal, it will become 76 and 2.4 will become 24. Then we will multiply this. 6 4 ja 24. 7 4 ja 28 plus 2 will be 30. 6 2 ja 12. 7 2 ja 14. 1 carry, that is 15. So my answer will be 4, 2, then 8, 1. 1824. Now here after decimal how many digit is there? 1. And here 1. So 1 plus 1 will be 2. That means I have to put decimal before 2 digits. So my answer will be 18.24. Second one is 3.45 into 6.3. We will remove the decimal. So it will become 345 and 63. 5 3 ja 15. 4 3 ja 12, 13. Then 3 3 ja 9, 10. 5 6 ja 30. 6 4 ja 24, 25, 26, 27. 6 3 ja 18 plus 2 will be 20. So my answer will be 5, 3, 7, 1 and 2. Now here after decimal how many digits are there? 2 and here 1. So 2 plus 1 will become 3. That means before 3 digit, that is 5, 3 and 7. Before 7 I will put the decimal point. So my answer will be 21.735. Third is 0.54 into 0.27. Remove the decimal. So it will become 54 and 27. 7 4 times will be 28. 7 5 ja 35 plus 2 will be 37. 4 2 ja 8. 5 2 ja 10. 8, 15, 4 and 1. After decimal 2 digits are there and here 2 digits. So 2 plus 2 will be 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So I will put decimal before 1. So my answer will be 0.1458. It is not compulsory to write 0 before decimal, but if you write it will be okay. Okay. Then fourth one is 0.568 into 4.9. Remove the decimal. It will become 568 and 49. 8 9 ja 72. 9 6 ja 54 plus 7. 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60 and 61. 9 5 ja 45 plus 6. 51. 8 4 ja 32. 3 carry 6 4 ja 24 plus 3 will be 27. 5 4 ja 20 plus 2 will be 22. So 2, 3, 8, 7, 2. Now after decimal 3 digits are there. and here 1 digit. So 3 plus 1 will be 4. So I will put decimal before 4 digits. That is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So my answer will be 2.7832. Then fifth is 6.54 into 0.09. Remove the decimal, 654 and here 9. 9 4 ja 36, 9 5 ja 45, 46, 47, 48, 9 6 ja 54, 58. After decimal 2 digits are there, here also 2 digits are there. So before 4 digits I will put decimal. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. My answer will be 0.5886. And last one I will do for you. The rest will be your homework. Sixth is 3.87 into 1.25. Remove the decimal, so it will become 387 and here 125. 7 5 ja 35. 8 5 ja 40 plus 3 will be 43. 5 3 ja 15. 16, 17, 18, 19. 7 2 ja 14. 8 2 ja 16, 17. 3 2 ja 6, 7. Then 7 1 ja 7, 8 1 ja 8, 3 1 ja 3. So 5, 7, 9 plus 7 will be 16 and 16 plus 7. 16 plus 7 will be 23. Then 2 carry, 8 plus 2 will be 10 and then 18 and here 4. After decimal 2 digits, here also 2 digits, so 2 plus 2 will be 4. So before 4 digits I will put decimal. 1, 2, 3, 4. So my answer will be 4.8375. This will be my answer. Now the rest question of this question number 5 you will do in your homework copy. I am starting exercise 3D question number 4.